Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. This is Crypto Bounty, your hub of free mining app. So after the successful linking of our OEX address on the Satoshi app for withdrawal, remember that just before the OEX mining ended, a new project came, which was the Glyph OG, which we mined, and now the mining has also come to an end. So we are required to link our withdrawal address, and many people are confused as to how to go about it. So in our video section today, we shall guide you on how to go about it. We are to submit our core wallet. So all you have to do is to come to me section, then click this little arrow beside the assets section, and then you are seeing the OG. Just click the little arrow beside it and then wait for it to load. You're going to see link withdrawal address. So how do you get the address? You should get your address from either MetaMask or Trust Wallet. So we shall be using MetaMask to guide us. And if you do not have the core mainnet in your MetaMask already, we shall guide us on how to add it to MetaMask and then copy our wallet address. For those of us who withdrew the core token, you can still use at the very beginning, the very first airdrop on this app. You can still use the same wallet. You can still choose to use the same wallet you used in withdrawing your core. But if you feel that your wallet has been compromised or you are having any issue, so you can create a new wallet and link it. So if you do not have the core mainnet in your MetaMask, after you open your MetaMask, I'm going to provide this information in our Telegram channel. So all you are going to do is first to supply all the information. So what are the information to supply? Come here, click setting, then click networks, then click add network, then click custom networks. Once you click this, then go to our Telegram channel. You'll get all the information you need. So you can name the network core blockchain, core mainnet, anyone. So I'll copy the first link, the RPC link, go back, then I'll prefer to name this core mainnet. Then the link I copied, I'll paste it here. The chain is 1116 chain ID. Then the symbol is core, CORE, and then go back and copy the block explorer URL, which is this. So I'll paste the block explorer URL here, and that's it. So I'll click add, and then you will be asked if you want to add this custom network. Click confirm, then switch network, switch it to the core mainnet. So got it. So here we have the core mainnet. Now you can now copy this address and then add it to your Satoshi app. So I get back to my Satoshi app, I'll click link withdrawal address, and then I'll put my address I just copied, and then put my asset password. After that, I'll click link withdrawal address, and then I'll click confirm. So a code will be sent to my email. Here is the code. So I'll copy the code, go back to my Satoshi app, paste the code in the provided box, and then I'll click confirm. Then the facial recognition, the verification will start again. Click start verification. And then
position your face in the frame.
Position your face.
Turn your head slowly to the left. Turn your head slowly to the left.
Just follow
Turn your
the
head slowly
instructions.
to the left. Raise your head slowly. Raise your head slowly. Turn your head slowly to the right. Turn your head slowly to the right. Turn your head slowly to the right.
So wait for it to verify. So that is it. The verification has been done. So to be sure if this verification is successful, click link withdraw address again, click confirm, and you can see OG withdraw address link is successfully, then click close. So that's all. That's how we link our withdraw address with our OG, the last mined token in the Satoshi app. So do this. We have from now till on the 30th of May. So make sure you do it as soon as possible so that in case you have any challenge, any difficulty, you'll be able to rectify it before the deadline. So this is all we have for you today. It will come your way again next time. Remain yours faithfully, Crypto Bounty.